Looking for beauty products that can give you a radiant glow? I have listed the best 20 trending Amazon beauty products that people are loving right now. These products can help with skincare, makeup, and overall self-care. Whether you need a hydrating serum, a glowing highlighter, or a nourishing face mask, this list has something for everyone. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. MCSYPOAL Face Neck Massager. 7-in-1 light modes with multiple functions make this face and neck massager a versatile addition to any skincare routine. It features 3 massage modes: clean for deep pore cleansing, a second mode for enhanced product absorption, and hot mode to soothe and rejuvenate the skin. Capable of heating up to 113 degrees Fahrenheit, it boosts skincare absorption while tightening sagging skin. Its dolphin-shaped, ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip and easy portability for skincare anywhere. Zektops Spa Headband. Made with a soft sponge lining and terry cloth surface, this spa headband and wristband set absorbs water efficiently, making face washing, skincare, and makeup application mess-free. The highly flexible, stretchable headband fits most sizes, while the coral fleece wristbands prevent water from dripping down the arms. Designed for comfort, durability, and breathability, this adorable headband visually enhances facial features. Its easy-to-wear style adds a touch of cuteness to any beauty routine. Lysish Luxury Spa Gifts. An all-natural, handmade spa gift set packed with luxurious skincare essentials. This collection includes a lavender soap bar, body scrub, shower mist, body oil, candle, clay facial mask, lip balm, cosmetic bag, soap saver, and a beautifully packaged gift box. Designed to cleanse, nourish, and pamper, it revitalizes the skin with natural minerals. Free from chemicals and artificial additives, this cruelty-free set ensures a relaxing spa-like experience at home for pure indulgence. Jodsone Gel Nail Polish Kit. A comprehensive 36-piece gel nail polish kit with 32 classic colors. This set includes a base coat, 3 top coats, a professional nail lamp, and essential nail tools. The fast-curing nail lamp features an LCD display and smart sensors for automatic activation. Made with healthy, low-odor ingredients, the gel polish provides high shine and long-lasting wear of over 3 weeks. Perfect for DIY nail art at home or as a thoughtful gift. Fantexy Nano Facial Mister. Ultrasonic nanotechnology in this facial mister breaks down water molecules and skincare solutions into ultrafine particles, ensuring deep skin hydration. A built-in skin moisture analyzer displays oil and hydration levels on an LCD screen, helping users monitor skin health. The 35 ml water tank provides all-day hydration, while its mist balances oil production and refreshes the skin. It can also be used for makeup setting, reducing fine lines, and soothing sensitive skin. Marie Collagen Facial Mask. Infused with collagen and hyaluronic acid, this facial mask deeply moisturizes and enhances skin elasticity for a youthful glow. Made from gentle, natural bamboo fiber, it suits all skin types while delivering essential nutrients. Designed to provide a spa-like experience at home, it nourishes and hydrates, leaving skin looking fresh and revitalized. The colorful and fun designs make skincare routines more enjoyable while effectively improving skin texture and hydration levels. Ledi 6 Pedicure Foot Rest. Designed with 6 adjustable height settings, this pedicure footrest allows for a customized and comfortable grooming experience. Its angled design eliminates awkward bending, making at-home pedicures effortless. Stability is ensured with anti-slip rubberized legs, while the foldable feature allows for compact storage and portability. With dimensions of 11.02 by 4.33 inches and a height of 10.8 inches, it is perfect for both home and salon use, providing convenience and ease during foot care routines. Beauty by Earth Jade Roller. Handcrafted from authentic Brazilian jade aventurine, this facial roller enhances lymphatic drainage while reducing puffiness and fine lines. Ideal for use with serums and moisturizers, it helps press skincare products deeper into the skin for maximum absorption. Its ergonomic, non-squeaky handle ensures a smooth massage experience. Packaged in a premium magnetic box, it makes a thoughtful beauty gift. Pairing it with other facial tools like gua sha or an ice roller amplifies skincare benefits. VTO Mart Makeup Organizer. Featuring 2 large drawers and a spacious top bin with multiple compartments, this clear makeup organizer keeps beauty essentials neatly arranged. The transparent design allows for easy access, eliminating the hassle of searching for products. Smooth sliding rails and built-in stoppers prevent spills, while anti-slip silicone pads ensure stability. Perfect for storing lipsticks, brushes, palettes, skincare, and more, this space-saving organizer enhances any vanity setup, keeping everything tidy and within reach. TYMO Cordless Automatic Curling Iron. With an upgraded temperature control system detecting heat 200 times per second, this cordless automatic curling iron prevents overheating and damage. The smart one-click auto-rotation feature effortlessly creates salon-quality curls in just 10 minutes. Portable and rechargeable, it is perfect for styling on the go. A 360-degree cool touch design prevents burns, while the smart anti-tangle function ensures a smooth curling experience. Ideal for beginners, this device delivers flawless curls with minimal effort. Evapro Root Cover-Up Spray. With a targeted nozzle for precise application, this root cover-up spray offers quick-drying, natural-looking coverage that lasts up to 24 hours. Designed to conceal gray roots, refresh highlights, and cover natural regrowth, it blends flawlessly and resists transfer, sweat, and rain. The formula is free from ammonia, peroxide, synthetic dyes, sulfates, and parabens. Simply shake well, spray evenly from 6 inches away, and let dry for 60 seconds for a seamless finish. Beska Larger Foot Scrubber Mat. Featuring hundreds of flexible bristles, this deep foot scrubbing mat massages tired feet while effectively cleaning hard-to-reach areas. Strong suction cups ensure stability, making it safe for use in the shower or bathtub without bending. Ideal for those with back issues or mobility concerns, it also exfoliates dead skin and calluses for smoother feet. The massaging action stimulates pressure points, providing a relaxing and refreshing experience with every use. Nazano Under Eye Patches. Infused with castor oil, collagen, and 24K gold, these under-eye patches help reduce puffiness, dark circles, fine lines, and wrinkles while boosting skin hydration. Hyaluronic acid locks in moisture, leaving the under-eye area refreshed and youthful-looking. The safe and effective formula deeply nourishes the skin, improving blood circulation and promoting collagen production. Easy to apply, simply place the patches under clean eyes, leave for 20 minutes, and gently pat in any remaining essence. Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. Delivering intense hydration overnight, this lip sleeping mask locks in moisture for soft, supple lips by morning. With a nourishing gel texture, it suits all skin types, including dry and mature skin. The lightweight formula glides on smoothly, providing a natural finish while deeply conditioning lips. Whether worn as an overnight treatment or a daytime lip balm, it keeps lips hydrated and healthy-looking with every application. Bime Isome Ice Roller. Designed for cooling and soothing, this ice roller helps reduce puffiness, refresh skin, and relieve fatigue. The icy touch calms inflammation, diminishes sunburn, and tightens the skin while promoting relaxation. It also works as a gua sha tool, helping to contour the jawline and improve fine lines. Suitable for all skin types, it can be used on the face, neck, or body for an instant revitalizing effect, making it a great self-care essential. Schick Hydro Silk Dermaplaning Tool. This dermaplaning tool provides expert-level precision for quick, easy touch-ups, whether shaping eyebrows or removing fine facial hair. The ultra-slim design includes a precision cover, making it perfect for travel and last-minute grooming. Dermatologist tested, it features microguards to protect delicate skin while gently exfoliating for a smoother complexion. A recyclable design ensures sustainability, allowing for responsible disposal through a dedicated recycling program after use. BS Mall Makeup Sponge. Makeup sponge set includes 7 ultra-soft, non-latex sponges that expand when wet for seamless makeup application. Designed to evenly blend foundation, BB cream, concealer, and powders without absorbing excess product, they ensure a flawless finish every time. The travel-friendly, dust-free container keeps sponges clean and organized while adding a stylish touch to any vanity. Ideal for professional results, these all-purpose sponges are a must-have for any makeup routine. RMS Beauty Luminizer. Luminizer delivers a radiant, natural finish with full coverage, enhancing skin with a luminous glow. The easy-to-apply formula blends seamlessly, highlighting key facial features for a youthful and dewy look. Perfect for all skin tones, this highlighter offers a subtle yet buildable shine, making it a go-to for effortless beauty. Whether applied with a brush or fingers, it adds a soft, light-reflecting sheen for a fresh and radiant complexion. Maybelline Lifter Liner. Lip liner features a creamy, moisture-locking formula infused with hyaluronic acid and jojoba oil for smooth, tug-free application. Designed to sculpt and enhance lip contours, it delivers a fuller, lifted look with long-lasting color. Available in a range of versatile shades, it pairs perfectly with glosses for a polished finish. With a sharpenable tip for precision, this liner ensures defined, flawless lips that stay put all day. Burt's Bees Rose Water Face Wipes. Face wipes offer a gentle yet effective cleanse, made with 60% upcycled cotton to remove dirt, oil, and makeup without harsh scrubbing. Infused with rose water for hydration, they leave skin feeling refreshed with a light floral scent. Suitable for all skin types, including sensitive and acne-prone, these wipes require no rinsing and are certified home compostable, making them an eco-friendly choice for everyday skincare. Glow Up Achieved. These 20 trending Amazon beauty products are your secret weapons for radiant, healthy skin. Whether you're looking to hydrate, brighten, or perfect your routine, these must-haves have got you covered. Want to grab your favorites? Check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow beauty lovers, and hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content, tips, and reviews. Stay glowing, and we'll see you in the next one.